You simply need to download images from this site, then publish them to this platform to earn thousands upon thousands of dollars in pure passive income. You don't need a camera for this, and you don't have to be a professional photographer to make money doing it. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so the main platform we'll be using today is called Alamy.com. This is essentially a search engine for photos of just about everything. And if you want to access those images, you'll have to pay a little fee to Alamy. But don't worry, you won't have to pay anything to this site to receive the photos. This is a strategy that is completely free. Now that begs the question, if we're here to buy images, then how can we utilize this to make money online? Well, on this website, you can make money by posting photos, and you'll be paid once a certain number of people download a photo you have uploaded. Also, I'll show you a platform where you can get the photographs without having to take them yourself. You don't have to be a good photographer for this to work. In this video, I'll show you how to make money with this site even if you've never taken a photo before. Anyway, now that you know how we'll make money with this site, I'd like to show you how powerful it is and why we want to use this site in particular to make money with those photos. To begin, you can use this platform called SimilarWeb.com to examine various stats on a specific website, such as how many visitors it receives every month. And as you can see, Alamy received 18 million visitors in the previous month, which is significantly higher than the previous months. And this means that you can make a lot of money with this website. The more well-known it is, the more clients it will attract, and the more money you will be able to earn. But the advantages doesn't end there. Another significant advantage you have if you want to make money with Alamy is that when you publish a photo on here, that's pretty much it. Alamy will take care of the rest. They will promote and advertise your photo as well as deliver them to those who have purchased them. This means that it can be used as a passive form of income because after uploading the images, you'll be able to earn money while doing nothing. And because I'll show you where to get them, you won't have to go out of your way to get them, further minimizing the amount of work you'll have to do. Furthermore, as shown on this page, Alamy receives 50% of the revenue. So, for promoting those photos for you, you will still earn 50%, which is quite a great deal. By the way, to get to this page I'm on right now, a page where you can also sign up to Alamy so you can make money, scroll down to the very bottom and click on Become a Contributor right over here. And it's on this page where you can also look at all the other options. For starters, they pay their contributors $1 million every month, demonstrating that even as a total newbie, there is a lot of money to be gained here. The second thing we can see is that you will gain global exposure, which is important because it means that more people will be able to see your photos. And also means more income for you. And it also indicates that this is a globally accessible platform. No matter where you come from, you can generate money on this website. With that being said, one of the things I appreciate about Alamy is that, as stated above, they provide detailed information about your clients, allowing you to determine exactly what sells well and what types of photographs will make you the most money. The last thing I want to show you on this page is that your photos will be available for sale within 24 hours. This is important to note because it means you won't have to wait long to get paid because your photos will be available for sale as soon as you upload them. It also says something I mentioned a few minutes ago, that you can make money while you sleep, and this is pure passive income. Anyway, you'll want to click on Become a Contributor either right here or near the top of the page to start making money on Alamy. They will then ask you for the most basic information such as your full name, email address, and password. This is the typical type of information that you must enter when you need to create an account, which I will not go over because I don't want to make this video too long. With that stated, before I show you where you can find those free photos, I'd like to show you a few additional sites I have for you so that you can utilize this to get paid for those photos. Because the more sites you have to post photos to, the more money you can make. CREstock.com is the first of the bonus sites I have for you. And because this site and the ones I'll show you soon work in a similar way to Alamy, I won't go into much detail with them. The next one I have for you is Snapped4You.com, which is another fantastic site that I recommend for you to check out. And last but not the least, there's a website called Shutterstock.com, and this is the site that I know most of you have heard of. And while it isn't our primary platform, we utilize Alamy because it has a lot of competitors. On Alamy, you have a lot of visitors but not a lot of photographers. But on Shutterstock, you have a lot of visitors but also a lot of photographers, limiting the amount of money you can make. However, I would urge you guys to sign up for all of these platforms because, as I previously stated, if you publish photographs to 4 separate sites, you will be able to attract significantly more people to download them, which will result in far more money being generated. With that being said, without further ado, let me show you the site where you can get those free images. And that site is called idplr.com. And on this site, you can discover a variety of things to download for free, including ebooks, software, video, audio, graphics, and templates. And you can see right away on their homepage what makes this site unique as well as why we want to use it. PLR products that you can resell and keep 100% of the revenues. So you may resell any of the aforementioned things while claiming ownership of them, which is really absurd. And by the way, PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which implies that, as I previously stated, you will have full permission to resell and profit from the products. You may claim ownership of them, sell them wherever you want, and do virtually anything you want with them. Also, perhaps more importantly for us, they have images on here that you can download for free. To get the photos, type stock photos into the search field, and it will bring you a list of all the photos available for free download and use. The best part about these is that they come in packages with hundreds of images in each folder, which means you won't have to download photos one by one. And because of that, you can download hundreds of them all at once and then post them to all of the previously mentioned websites. Once you've done that, your work will essentially be done, and you will be able to earn a lot of money entirely through passive income. And that's it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.